Hey everyone, welcome to our deep dive into what India looks like in 2025. It's an exciting time, and there's so much to talk about. India's economy is booming. The country has become a key player in global business and politics. Urban landscapes are evolving and infrastructure is advancing. More jobs, better roads, and bustling tech parks are common sights. Government policies support innovation and entrepreneurship. IT, retail, and banking sectors are growing rapidly. Foreign investors see India as a land of opportunities. Sustainable development benefits both urban and rural areas. Innovation hubs foster creativity and new ventures. Job fairs are bustling, creating opportunities in various sectors. India's resilience and adaptability are remarkable. Education and healthcare are improving, enhancing living standards. Better schools and hospitals are making a real difference. The rise of the middle class shows economic progress. Social equality is improving, with diverse backgrounds working together. India's development approach is admired globally. India's journey is a beacon of hope and inspiration for the world. India's job market is booming. Lots of new jobs are popping up. Why? Well, big areas like computers, stores, phones, and banks need more skilled workers. The computer area is especially hot right now because of things like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and data analytics. Online stores and regular stores are also creating tons of jobs. And the phone companies are busy with 5G and other new tech. Banks are growing too because more people are using banking apps and online services. Cities like Bengaluru and Coimbatore are becoming big job centers. Bengaluru, the Silicon Valley of India, is still the place to be for computer jobs, and Coimbatore is becoming a big manufacturing city. All these new jobs are great news. It means businesses are excited about the future and want to hire more people. This should continue, giving even more people opportunities to work. The Reserve Bank of India, or RBI, aims for financial inclusion, ensuring everyone can participate in the economy. They have a new idea, using UPI for loans. This innovative approach leverages the widespread use of the Unified Payments Interface, or UPI, which has already revolutionized payments in India. By integrating loan services into UPI, the RBI aims to make borrowing money as easy as sending a text message. This is a game changer for millions of Indians who have been excluded from traditional banking services. This could help millions of people. Imagine the possibilities. Farmers can get loans to buy seeds and equipment, students can finance their education, and small business owners can expand their operations. Getting loans through UPI would be much easier and cheaper. The process would be transparent, with clear terms and conditions, and lower interest rates compared to informal lending. This initiative aligns with broader national goals of financial inclusion and economic development, ensuring that no one is left behind in the digital economy. Section 4. Direct tax collections, a testament to economic strength. India is collecting more taxes. This is great news. It shows the economy is doing well and the government is doing a good job collecting taxes. More taxes mean the government has more money to spend on important things like roads, schools, and hospitals. Why are tax collections up? Well, more people are paying their taxes, businesses are making more money, and the government is making it easier to pay taxes. It's now simpler and clearer to file taxes, so more people are doing it correctly and on time. This is a really good sign for India's economy. It means things are growing steadily, and the government can pay for programs that help everyone. The government's efforts to improve tax collection should bring in even more money. Section 5. SEBI's SME IPO regulations, fostering transparency and growth. SEBI's new rules for SME IPOs aim to create a transparent and secure environment for investors. These regulations ensure high standards of accountability and protect investments. Transparency builds trust between investors and companies, encouraging confident investments. SEBI's rules support SME growth while safeguarding investor interests. New rules limit initial stock sales to prevent market destabilization. This ensures market stability and gradual stock price changes. Only strong, profitable companies can go public, ensuring financial stability. Companies must show profits for at least 2 of the last 3 years. Funds from IPOs cannot be used to pay off personal debts. This ensures funds are reinvested for company growth. These rules make investing in SMEs safer and more appealing. More investors will help SMEs grow, fostering a dynamic business environment.